Welcome dear students. I am Pinky Malla and today in this video we are going to learn an interesting lesson in English. So students, our today's lesson name is Khashaba Jadhav. So students, before I start the lesson, I would like to ask you few questions and you have to give me answers. Okay? Students, do you like to play games? Okay, I know everybody like to play games. Yes? So students, can you name some indoor games? Yes, very good students. See, table tennis, carom, chess and pools are the names of indoor games. Yes? Okay students, now can you name some outdoor games? Yes, very good students. See, football, hockey, basketball and tennis are the names of some outdoor games. Yes? Now students, question number 3. So, can you name some sports person? Yes, very good students. Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Saina Nehwal, Vishwanathan Anand and Mary Kom are the names of some sports persons. Yes? Students, have you heard about Olympic Games? Okay, very good. So students, you can see 5 rings are there in front of you. Yes? So this is the symbol of Olympic Games. There are 5 rings interlocking together and the colors of rings are blue, yellow, black, green and red. So students, the Olympic Games are an international festival held every 4 years. Okay, so this was the small introduction about the Olympic game. So let's proceed to our next slide. So students, in this video we are going to learn about the great sports personality Khashaba Jadhav. So let us start. See students, sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competitions are held. And also students, boxing and wrestling matches and many other things are also held in Olympic Games. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. Now students, we will see meanings of some words. Okay? So the first one is athletics. So the meaning of athletics is the general name for a particular group of competitive sports such as running and jumping. Now students, second one. So the second one is bronze. So the meaning of bronze is a yellowish brown alloy of copper with up to 1/3 tin. Now student, third one, wrestler. So the meaning of wrestler is a sport in which two opponents struggle hand to hand in order to pin or press each other's shoulders to the mat or ground. Okay? An Olympic medal is a great honor to the winner. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. For example, Mary Kom, bronze medal, Abhinav Bindra, gold medal, Saina Nehwal, bronze again, Leander Paes, bronze, Sushil Kumar, silver. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. And his name was Khashaba Jadhav. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. And also students, Dada Saheb himself taught his sons wrestlings. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba. From an early age, Khashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Okay students, can you tell what do you mean by bouts? Yes, bout means matches. Okay. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. It means students, Khashaba Jadhav used to sit on his father's shoulders and watch the wrestling matches happily. Now students, I am going to ask you few questions to know how much you have learnt. Okay? So the first one is, where was Khashaba Jadhav born? So students, give answer. Yes, very good. So the answer is, Khashaba Jadhav was born in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district in Maharashtra. Okay? Now next one. What medals are given in the Olympics? So students, give answer. Yes, very good students. So the answer is gold, silver and bronze medals are given in the Olympics. At the 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Okay student, can you tell what do you mean by akhada? Akhada means wrestling ring. Okay. So students, Khashaba Jadhav was the youngest in his village who was fighting in the wrestling ring. So students, soon it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. It means students, he became famous in his village. And do you know students, Khashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. So students, can you tell what do you mean by agile? Yes, agile means able to move quickly and easily. And students, he loved to discuss sports with his friends when he get free time. So always he talk about the sports and games with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. So students, encouraged means to be supported. It means students, Rajaram College was giving support, confidence and hope to the participant. Khashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. It means students, Khashaba Jadhav took part in many wrestling matches and he won all. He never lose any match. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Khashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Game. It means students, when he famous in national level and he beat to the champion Niranjan Das, that time the board of committee decided to send him in the international level and they decided to send him in Olympic Games. When Khashaba Jadhav took part in Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Khashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of the 42. It means students, when he went to the Olympic Games, he found that Indian and international rules were different and he was getting some difficulties to play the matches. It means students, he was always playing in earthen pit and there he used to play on mat. So that is why he was facing difficulties. In spite of these difficulties also, the Khashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of the 42. So interesting, isn't it? Now students, again I am going to ask you few questions. So get ready to answer, okay? So here, first question, what sports did Khashaba likes? Give answer. Yes, very good students. Khashaba liked wrestling, running and gymnastics. Okay. Now second question, whom did Khashaba beat in wrestling and in which years? Students, give answer. Yes, very good students. See, Khashaba beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. Yes? The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. Yes, students. The Olympic Games held in every 4 years in worldwide. Many countries of the world take participation in the Olympic Games. In 1952, Khashaba wished to participate in Olympics Games again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merits again and face the oppositions of officials. It means students, he have to prove his good qualities in front of government of sports department, especially to the wrestling representative. For that, he was trying very hard work and again he has selected for the Olympic Games. Now students, we will see meanings of some words. Okay, so let's start. The first one is merit. So the meaning of merit is skill of being very good. Second one, opposition. Opposition means resistance or dissent expressed in action or argument. The third one, official. A person in a position of responsibility. Okay. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It means, students, the participants, those who took part in the Olympic game, they had to spend their own money to travel and to stay over there. It was very expensive. Khashaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. It means, students, the Khashaba Jadhav was really a poor boy and he was trying his level hard to get into the Olympic, but he was not getting any help from anywhere. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. So, students, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house on rent and he got money, and that money he gave to the Khashaba Jadhav. So, students, in this way, the principal of Rajaram College helped the Khashaba Jadhav to go to Olympic. And also, students, other people in Khashaba Jadhav's village also helped him. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Khashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. Then he had to face wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Khashaba lost the match by just 1 point. It means, students, the Japanese wrestlers were highly trained fighters. When the match began and Khashaba started fighting with the Japanese wrestler, the fight continued for 15 minutes. In that, Khashaba tried his best, but unfortunately, he lost the match by 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Khashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. So, students, the meaning of exhausted means very tired. So, students, Khashaba was very much tired after the first match got over. He was asked to fight immediately with another wrestler, but according to the rules, fighters must be given at least half an hour rest before the second match gets started. But the Khashaba Jadhav was not got the chance to take rest. Khashaba lost in the bout with his Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. It means, students, Khashaba Jadhav was tried his best, but he not won the match, but also he got bronze medal for his country. When Khashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in village gave him a grand welcome. It means, students, when Khashaba returns from Helsinki, the people honored him with a flower garland. They did not mind that Khashaba not won gold medal, but they were happy that he took part in Olympic. That was a great thing for them. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him. So, students, procession means a number of people or vehicles moving forward in an orderly fashion, especially as a part of ceremony. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhols. It means, students, the villagers were very much happy. They took their hero at home by playing to the sound of many dhols and nagara. Khashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medals, he played the first bout to raise money, not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Khashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. It means, students, Khashaba Jadhav did not spend his winning money for himself, but he gave that all money to the principal who had given his own house to send Khashaba to the Helsinki. So soon the principal got his house back again. And also, students, he was very much thankful of all that villagers, those who have helped him. Khashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honor for our motherland? Isn't it? Now, students, it's exercise time. So, here we having write the answer to the following questions. Okay, so here first question is, how many bouts did Khashaba Jadhav win at Helsinki? So the answer is, Khashaba Jadhav won 5 bouts at Helsinki. Now students, second question, what differences did Khashaba find in wrestling in India and outside India? So the answer is, Khashaba found that Indian rules and international rules are different. In addition, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit, while at the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on mat. Now students, the question number 2, write the opposites of. So the first word, loved. So the opposite of loved is hated. Now second one, best. The opposite of best is worst. Now third one, youngest. So the opposite of youngest is oldest. Fourth one, strong. So the opposite of strong is weak. Now students, it's homework time. So here we having question. Find the 5 Olympic events hidden in the square below. Okay. So students, through this video we have learnt the lesson Khashaba Jadhav. So hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.